Your explanation for the Partner's Tale reader response assignment. So this assignment only covers portions of the Partner's Tale, and it asks you to think more deeply about them. You're going to see a direct relation between this assignment and the Tools of Poetry assignment. Now, you do need to read the whole tale, though, first in order to do well on this assignment and other assignments. So make sure you're not skipping over that, okay? The first several slides is going to cover characterization on both the partner and the three rioters, okay? You should remember from last week when you cover the prologue that we went into characterization and depth. So after you're done with characterization, you're going to go over personification, and you'll answer these two questions here. What is being personified? And then I want to see a more extended response on why this is important for Chaucer. Do not just give me a sentence there, okay? Then you're going to answer the questions one of the over simile and metaphor. So you're going to answer all these questions, 3 similes and 1 metaphor. Then you're going to complete this slide over allusion. Now, if you're not familiar with Leviticus or Timothy from the Bible, you can click the live links and for more explanation help on these. And then then you're going to answer the question how or why this is it appropriate that the partner makes such biblical allusions. Next, you'll cover irony, specifically verbal irony, and then you'll answer the question about what's ironic about him saying, I won't deceive you. Then you're going to go over satire, and you may not have studied this in depth before this week, but just as a reminder, satire is comedy that is used to criticize certain aspects of society. So you want to make sure that you're finding about what Geoffrey Chaucer is satirizing about his society and what is he cynical or critical about in this passage. If you have any questions all over this assignment, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you.